9 times out of 10, you're going to struggle in this business. You're going to have to fail forward. You're going to have to, stay up at night wondering if you made the right decision. That is all normal stuff. Anybody on the internet telling you otherwise is a lie. I'm Robin Williams. If you don't know who I am, and I'm going to show you how to supplement your income as an affiliate marketer. And yes, while everything I just said doesn't sound desirable, I promise you there's a path that you still have to go through some of that stuff I'm talking about. However, it's the easiest path than you possibly falling into the trap of being told it's completely easy and that you can get started making a whole bunch of money overnight. Even the easiest ways that I have ever made money online took some work. And the ones that decided that doing that work was not worth getting the results that they wanted in life, those are the people who don't make it. The people who do make it, they simply push forward. I've been supplementing my income with this current company for, I think, almost a decade now. And within this business, I pretty much did everything I just mentioned to you. I questioned whether I should be doing this or not. I actually failed plenty of times while in the business, plenty of times before the business. It's just that my income, my production increased over time as I allowed those things to naturally happen. Now, in this business that I'm going to introduce to you, this is what I highly advise any new affiliate marketer to start, any struggling affiliate marketer to start at, simply because it's actually a couple of things. One of the first reasons why I believe you should start here is because during your journey, whether you come inside of this platform with me or whether you decide to take another route, 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to be introduced to all of the products or need all of the products that we have inside of the system to run that business, to maintain that business, to maintain your livelihood for whatever money that you're actually making. We actually have products for you to dive into, because after you make money, you want to stay in business. So the last thing you want to do is ruin your chances of having that money work for you as much as possible. Okay. So that's the first reason why I tell brand new affiliates to start here. The second reason is not only do you get to resell the products and make money from it, you get to learn the things that you need to do in business. Just like you're looking for ways to supplement your income with affiliate marketing, so are a million other people. And guess what? They're going to need these tools. You can be the one to introduce them to that. The third reason why I tell people to dive into this system first is because what I'm doing right now over video is a little bit more natural for me, because I've been in the game for a while. I've been doing this for a while. It's a little bit more natural for me to just get on and just start talking. However, for newbies, not so much. In the past, you had to go through a whole bunch of modules to learn how to do this affiliate marketing. You had to set up some pages. You had to do quite a lot to get things rolling. And then if you made it through the whole shenanigans of setting up accounts, setting up pages, following a system, watching trainings, if you made it that far, now it was time for you to stick with it and make money. But now the game has actually changed. Within this system, I'm just going to briefly tell you that you can actually use Let's Go, which is an app to help you, stay on track. You can use it to reach your goals, to establish habits, things like that. And it's a tool that's extremely useful. I have a ton of my goals that I'm working on inside of the system. You also have the Funnel Builder Academy. This is where you'll have a tool that you can do so much with. I highly advise you to do the bare minimum with this as a new beginner. But once you start learning business, once you start learning everything about this business, you'll start to get addicted to this tool, because it's a tool that you can use to resell your own products, to resell any other affiliate marketing company products that you want to resell, maybe something that you have right now. It's a product that you can use to establish your own membership sites. But those are also pitfalls for some new beginners. I'm going to teach you how to start this in a way that it won't distract you, and you will focus on putting money in your pocket first. And then once you start to understand it, things start to click. You'll be even more excited about using this product, and you'll have a better chance of actually being successful with using this product. And then we have the premium, which is the meat and potatoes inside of the system. Okay. This is where you'll be able to grab some live coaching. You'll be able to dive in some training if you want. But I'm going to come back to this really, really quick, because this is going to be the meat and potatoes of what's going to help you as a new affiliate marketer. And that final product was the product I kind of hinted on, that after you make the money, you need to save money. I hear stories after stories after stories from entrepreneurs stating that they made a whole bunch of money and maybe they didn't pay their taxes on time. Now they owe IRS a whole bunch of money, and they're stuck trying to not only pay IRS, but also make more money. And guess what? They're going to have to pay IRS on that money too. There's certain things that you can do to get out of debt faster, certain things that you can do to save money. And honestly, this system right here is what's missing from most entrepreneurs. And what this company has done is put together the products and tools that best fit the entrepreneur that wants prosperity, that wants wealth, and not a pain in the ass business that you're steadily having to make money because you're not doing the right things with your money. So they have all different types of things in here, but I'm going to jump right back over here in premium and just finalize on telling you why you should start here as an affiliate. Remember, I said typically on any program, you have to dive into training and you have to be able to know what you're talking about in order to get success. I do not believe you should go forever with that type of mindset, but I will tell you this, it is very exciting to be able to come into a system and be a complete newbie and answer a set of questions and be able to start getting traction in your content, getting leads, and getting sales without having to go through 15, 20, 30, 100 modules. You know, we have a lot of stuff you can go through. I do highly advise for you to learn those things, but we have something called the Traffic Maestro. Now, I'm not going to go completely into the Traffic Maestro's process in this video, but you'll start off with an onboarding process that'll simply ask you a whole bunch of questions that you can easily answer. You do not have to be a marketer. You do not have to know about marketing to answer those questions. And then once you answer those questions, it will give you your daily plan of creating content. So you'll have the step-by-step things you'll be able to do to grow your income, and you literally just follow the steps of this system. You have the long form video content. If I click here, I've already created a topic here that's going to match up with this video, even though I am shooting outside of this system, but it's a keyword on supplementing your income with affiliate marketing for beginners. And it literally walked me through creating what I wanted to talk about, grabbing the attention. It started to put all of the stuff together for me, you know, even creating a thumbnail so that when I'm done this video, I can simply promote it and push it out inside of the Traffic Maestro system. Now, even though I'm shooting this video outside of Traffic Maestro, all I have to do is come here and go to the shooting part, upload this video, edit my video inside the system. It's going to push this video inside of my YouTube channel, which all I have to do is click a few extra buttons to get that video loaded, and my job is done. And if you don't know about how important that is with YouTube marketing, which you probably don't if you're new or if you've been failing with affiliate marketing, the important thing about what I just said is that that video will start falling in front of people like you and other people around the world that are looking for the thing that you're talking about. You know, so if you're looking to supplement your income and you ran across this video, guess what? That video, YouTube helped me get that video in front of you, but you have to know what you need to do. Back when I got started with video marketing the correct way, I had to go through 15 modules of videos, and those modules, they were no joke. They were extremely helpful with getting me set up, but most people fail before they get to that part or before they get through the modules. So this process that I just explained, as simple as it sounds, is extremely powerful with connecting you with your ideal prospect and your ideal customers, and also connecting you with the supplemental income that you desire. This is the Real Robin Williams. You can find the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.